So now I'm going to be prepping my skin. Prepping is very important, whether you're doing a heavy makeup, you're doing a tiny or a natural glam, natural-ish glam, whatever it is, skin prep is super important. If you're going to be applying products on your face, makeup products on your face, you need to prep your skin. So I'm taking my Nivea micellar water and I'm just going to be using to clean my face, to remove the dirt, to help deeply cleanse it from whatever debts that may be occupying or clogging my pores at the moment. So I'm just going to be doing that. Always get into your ears because products will also still go there. So now I've done that, I've cleansed my face with micellar water to remove whatever dirt that could be on my face. Now I am going to moisturize. So I'm taking my moisturizer and I'm applying it to my face. This is my CeraVe moisturizer. So I'm just going to be applying it all over my face. You can see my fingers. I'm using my fingers, but I have already washed my hands, which is super important to prevent bacterial transfer. So I'm just going to apply it. This particular one I'm using is quite heavyweight. So this is why I'm applying very tiny quantity. So I'm using heavyweight because my skin is a combination skin, but it's more prone to dryness, so that's why I use heavyweight, a heavyweight moisturizer. So if yours is lightweight, you may need to apply more than I am applying. So now I'm going to be taking my primer. This is an oil-free Zickel primer, oil-free poreless finish makeup gripping base, as you can see. So this would help to control oil if you produce, or if you are an oily person. I think this is even better for me because, like I said, I use the heavyweight moisturizer, which will most likely, you know, cost much more sebum production. So I'm just going to apply this. Then I'm using my Fix It spray by Kiss Beauty, just to keep in hydration on the face while I spread my primer around. So when you apply all your products for your skin prep, you want to apply your foundation like immediately, because when the product dries up completely, it's really it reduces the whole effect of the skin prep. So while it's a bit moist, you apply your skin prep. So now I'm going to be going ahead to apply my foundation. So I'm going to be using my concealer of my skin shade to just apply under my eye region. You don't need to apply super plenty, okay? This part is very important. You need to conceal the under of your eyes. So I'm just doing it in a dabbing motion. You can also spread it on the lid of your eyes just to make it blend in thoroughly. I'm going in with the second one and I'm blending it. So you want to apply a foundation that really rhymes your skin shade. And what you should be looking at is to swatch foundations on your chin to know which is your skin shade. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using my Zekel Even True Pro High Coverage, and I'm going to be mixing it with this one, Classic Total Coverage, and this gives more like a really matteish finish, and it is not as full coverage as this. So I'm going to be mixing it because my shade is somewhere in between these two. So at this point, like I said, I'm going to be swatching on my neck, on my chin area, and you can see that this looks like a very good blend. And so we're going to go ahead and spread it all around my face. So I'm just going to be applying this in light portion. So I'm just going to be applying them at a go, just on my face. So we just go ahead and do our blending already. Again, I'll be taking my beauty blender, and I'm going to be spraying it. I'm going to be dampening it with my setting spray. This is to make the beauty blender, of course, damp and for less friction on the face. That is also the essence of skin prep, and so the foundation can last. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to be blending it out. You want to do this procedure as intense and as quick as you want. Intense in the sense that you want it to blend thoroughly on your skin, because when your makeup is not well blended, no matter how nice it looks, just give it time and it's going to look very awkward. Okay, so you want to take your time to blend out all the products on your face. Remember, I've already applied concealer under my eyes, so I'm not going to spread in foundation into that area, but I'm just going to be applying foundation on the other areas. So if you are using a matte makeup, be sure that your makeup will be drying really super fast. So that is another reason why you should do your blending process really fast, so that your makeup does not dry and doesn't become harder to spread out. However, while you are blending, you can still go ahead and spread in your setting spray, dampen your beauty blender, and continue your blending. Remember, you want to spread the little portions that we have already spread across the face to every area, so some part does not look unattended to. You can already see that we have thoroughly blended into the skin. Remember, never forget your ears, never forget your chin and your neck areas, because you know it's giving natural, so you do not want your face looking like a mask.
So you can see now that it's giving a skin-like finish. You can see that the skin texture is still there, the skin complexion, the skin tone is enhanced, and it is still giving that skin-like look. So do well to like this video if you found this helpful. Do well to leave a comment, and do well to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. Stay tuned for more. Bye.